Smells in here. My wife's telling me to clean my office.
Somebody told me the room I was in smelt too. So
Remember I
yeah, that's
told
what
you
happens
last
after you
week?
just take a dump.
No, I don't know. I think it was because of my cat. I think it's because of my cat. Smells like vomit. Remember I told you also last week? It kind of smells sour. It smells sour. But you only get a whiff of it every now and then. It's not like it's permeating in the room. I gotta go
Somebody
around because you can't
blame.
go. You can't go around with that powder, the carpet cleaner, because the cat's gonna eat it up and get poisoned. I gotta
Never
live
seen
with it.
somebody blame so much stuff on a cat. That poor cat.
I know, eh? Isn't it a good thing he doesn't understand?
What if he
Uh
does? And before he wasn't
oh.
sick, he was just depressed.
Oh. Yeah, he was so depressed he was throwing up. I hope
Possible.
not. I hope not. Okay, we're gonna take it easy today. I got the clicker.
Take it easy.
Oh my God, no skills has gotten to Lucky JC.
Uh-oh.
Did you wash your feet? Got feet
Seems
talk.
like a legitimate question.
I don't know. I've smelled a lot of stinky feet in my life, especially when you were a teenager. The kids come over, your friends come over, they take off their shoes. It's like, whoa, bud, time to buy a new pair of shoes, man. But can't recall them ever smelling like vomit. Shit. Yeah. Vomit? No.
Are you saying no skills feet smells like shit?
No, I'm just saying, kids.
Oh.
Young ones. Did I had this old pair of running shoes when I used to go to the gym. You had your own locker then, back then, at this gym. Anyways, at this gym, you had your own locker permanently. You kept the lock on it. You went home. You came back 3 days later. Your lock was there, and would open it up. God damn, they got to clean the lockers. They stink. And finally, I realized it was yeah, Poppy. I went to the gym. Finally, I realized it was my shoes. Like, when you're young, I used to go fishing a lot. So I would walk in swampy areas and I didn't care. Shoes on, shoes off. They would get wet, dry, wet, dry. Eventually they stank. I never knew shoes can smell that bad. Well, since then I knew. Oh, so yes, I'm taking it easy today. I got my clicker.
You got my clicker. No, I
You
use
see it?
click. I was just
It
joking.
clicked.
Petra,
Good.
hello. Good evening to you.
Good.
Trade never after. How's it going, my friend?
Notice the CVD can be the cumulative volume delta can be deceiving when volume is light. The overnight session, pre-markets, really only a good indicator
Mm-hmm.
when the volume is heavy.
Trade never after. You keep him in line while I was gone. Keep
Did
everything in order.
let him know he was missed yesterday. We threw him into the games.
Ugh. It's so hot in Florida, Mike. It's
Mm.
so hot in Florida
How hot is it?
that
Am I
my
supposed to say
wife is officially worried about the air conditioner again.
that?
She's like, we have it on 77, but it's 82 in the house. I'm like, yeah, it's freaking hot out there.
Mm.
LOL, Mike and I get to laughing when you're out. You can't laugh while I'm here. I don't tell good enough jokes. I'll have to get Mike to tell more jokes while I'm here then. Come on, man. It's got to be one of the charts. Just
Come
give me a chart.
on, man. Don't
Like, I
be
tried so hard to get
cruel.
this other bot to be able to move the orders. Yesterday, I had this one bot going, and I just moved the order like it was nothing.
Oh,
Like,
it's Elvis. Oh, go ahead.
why is it so easy but yet so hard to be able to move the orders?
I don't know, but it's so easy, but it's so hard. It's Elvis Day today. Did I sound like Elvis there?
Is it really Elvis Day?
Yep, you got to talk like every now and then. You got to throw in something that you at least you do your best to make it sound like Elvis.
I don't think I have an Elvis sound.
Yeah, you make it up. Oh, future's glory. Say something like that. Well, let's click. Let's click and trade. No, I missed 5 points while I had my hand off the mouse. Fuck off.
What do I want to trade today? This one. It's got to be this one. We got to
I
go
told
heavy, too.
myself. Oh, sorry.
I got to do this one. We got to do this one. Got to do this one. We got to go heavy on this one and this one.
Don't you love the specifics of that? This one, this one, this one, and this one. Give them names at least, even though we don't know what you're talking about. Like the PM trade. People go, what the fuck's the PM trade? We don't tell them.
I'm talking about accounts. Accounts. Some of the Bullinox
I thought there's trades.
accounts. You got to go heavy on those.
Oh my
Apex.
God. I forgot about Bullinox.
Gotta go heavy on this Apex account.
Yeah, Bullinox open. Thank you for
I got to remember to switch over and trade my Apex Master accounts because I can't have them on at the same time as the Bullinox, so they always get forgotten. Trading's difficult, man. You got to trade these accounts. You got to turn over. You trade to these accounts. Switch over here. Trade these accounts.
Oh, yeah, it's true. Don't push the clicker up. Keep the clicker in the hand. Sorry. We're watching. What are we watching? Well, we can watch this here, but soon we're going to be watching for the PM trade. TEA, did you hear they want to cancel Father's Day and call it Parents' Day, so chicks with dicks and women get another day in gay month? Well, why don't they just celebrate Mother's Day? That would make no sense to me. Pick one. You don't need to have both. Don't be greedy.
Well,
Or as Elvis would say,
already canceled Father's Day, didn't they?
or as Elvis would say, don't be greedy.
Didn't they already cancel Father's Day?
I don't know now what it's called. Esmeralda Day?
Well, now you have Juneteenth, like 2 days before, right?
Yeah.
So I guess it's either Father's Day or Juneteenth. Just pick one. What are they gonna do? Put birthing person's day 2 days after?
Definitely could have said, what are they going to do, like Elvis?
What are they going to do?
You see, that's good. That's not I think we have to go listen to Elvis to do it right, but it's good enough for the first time.
I'm gonna have to. Do I got time? Okay, let me do it. I'm gonna go to YouTube, get some Elvis.
Yeah, Elvis talking. Elvis in an interview.
Wait a second, I got distracted by Gentle Partner Yoga Flow.
Gentle Partner. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Yeah, every day.
They have to do that together? Oh my God. All right, I gotta keep going. Focus. Elvis.
Well, now you got me interested. I'm going to go see Gentle Partner Yoga Flow. Everybody, go look up Gentle Partner Yoga flow. Spelt it wrong. My hands are shaking.
Should we go 68 Comeback or Heartbreak Hotel or It Hurts Me?
Heartbreak Hotel, I think. Do it again. Hey, what's going on?
I don't know if I can talk like that.
Yeah, that's why you just did it. That was
Well,
great.
we're gonna wait for this line. Well, we're gonna pass. Well, how'd that work?
That was good. I think you just put cotton balls in the mouth and you're good. I'm still on gentle partner yoga flow. I didn't even get it in yet. Now I finally got it up.
You just reminded me that I missed that
Really? There's
video.
nothing here. Oh my God, you made me waste my time. It looks like calisthenics.
What if I can
Okay.
click the back button?
I
Never
think them are
works, does
probably
it?
not even making money. Elvis interview, 1970. Let's see.
Yeah, you made me miss it.
Milo Vegas. Oh, there he goes. Milo Vegas.
Now it got replaced by 30 body weight exercises, butt and legs. Nah, I don't like that.
There we go. got my Elvis voice. They all sound like porns from the 70s.
Micro girls supposed to be like bodybuilders or what?
Oh,
You go on a date, she
baby.
shows up, she could like pick you up and spin you around. Yay or nay?
Nah, not for me. Maybe if you're into it, yeah, it's cool. You know, if you're a bodybuilder yourself. I mean, you know, good physique is nice, but not competition. I don't even think I don't like it either way. I think it's way overboard and it looks disfigured. Beer number 30 early. Wow, that's cool.
5 o'clock somewhere.
That's cool.
No skills sent gold coin 10 jewels. No skills, you the man. Although I don't even know what jewels are. I'm gonna figure out one day.
Yeah, those two things hanging below your elephant trunk. Those
He
are your
sent me 10 of
jewels.
them.
Those are your jewels. Yeah. he's like a headhunter from the Gilligan's Island. He's accumulated 10 of them. Okay, please tell me this account is not busted. No fucking way. I have an account that's busted with a balance of $50,342. You know how close that was to passing? That was probably at 50,000 at 52.9. So stupid.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Why don't you?
Why don't you? Oh, let's stop with the singing. I think it's enough. Well, we bounced here at 30,000 4 times already, pretty much. Between 820. It doesn't show up on this chart, but it's up on the other chart. 820. Yeah, right about since 830. 30. Order filled. Order filled. Was a short? A short? Yeah, it was a short. Okay, cool. Let us see if the bot can recover. Guys, if you were in the class on Saturday, please do not use your bots on evals or live accounts or sim funded or any combination of. Demo only.
What?
You have no idea if what you coded is working. Play with it and market replay. Learn what all the settings do. Wait till you find out all the mistakes that are probably in there. Didn't you see how I taught the course? Oh, I forgot this. Oh, I forgot that. Oh, what about this? Oh my God, we have to go back. Delete this. Let's start over. Do
Golly,
not,
talking about exiting a trade and it shoots against you as soon as you exit.
do not be using them. Use your heads.
Wait, did you say play with it?
Yes, on market replay. Please follow the class, young man. I want to see your parents next week.
Trade never after. I shorted at 180 this morning. Took $100 and missed the dump. Oh man.
Holy, holy gee.
But if you got $100, you got
Short,
$100, right?
short, 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 short. Let's take a quick look. Going on in the world. Still considering that as a lower swing high on the daily in June. Asian trade, none. 15-minute tells me to be bearish.
Do you have a kind of head and shoulders on the 1 hour? Kind of looks dumpy, doesn't it?
Mm. Let me look for, hey, what happened? MES. No way. Okay, well, MES was potentially stronger based on this than Q. But that's in the past. What about now, Mike?
What about now?
What about now? MES is still stronger based on this. NQ went right down to previous close. Came down lower. ES did not. So, keep your eyes on the prize and let's watch for shorts.
We did sweep this liquidity from 430. Could take that and push back up. But who knows? Once the market opens, it'll change its decisions.
Morning, Martin. Martin, did you show up for the PM trade? Got my hand on the mouse. I'm ready.
Martin, good morning.
And I got a short bias. Let's see what that gets me. $200, $250 per account. Hopefully I can stay focused on that goal. I got a whole bunch of accounts to get to. One at a time. My stop loss, my PDLL is about $800, $600 to $800 pending. Oh shit! Which account's supposed to trade it? God damn! Did I even write it down? Oh, the one
All
with
right.
600 and something.
That was your $100 trade, sir.
What? No.
On to the next. What?
There we go. This is the account. It's up 692. It made $700 on the first one. Let's see, on the first attempt. Let's see what the second one brings us. How are you trading now without telling me?
I mean, you found out as soon as I found out. How the hell do I know?
You found out as soon as
All I hear is Orderfield.
Orderfield.
Skeletor. How's it going, my friend?
Look at that. We got VWAP right there. Is a nice little target. I'm hurting my neck. I'm looking up so much.
Hey, Omnis Trades, I have you in my Discord. Some other Omnius want to be friends. That you? I don't recall sending anybody a friend request. Somebody informed me last night that we had whole conversations about Tesla and this and that. Guess what, guys?
Hmm.
It wasn't me.
Me.
It wasn't me. Guys, I keep saying it. Mike keeps saying it. The dog keeps saying it. The dog, what, Mike, what's the dog say? The dog say, woof, woof.
Woof.
Guys, if you're not sure, unfriend and freaking go to the general page. Find me, find Mike, send us a friend request. Ask us in the chat or something. Do something, man. We're not asking you for money. We're not going to trade your account.
Why are we here?
We're
Not
not
going
going
to
to
do
drive your
anything for
car
us.
for you. We don't want your wife's phone number. Omnius has multiple personalities.
Speaking of wives.
Trade never after. I think we're friends. I don't know. I can't really look right now.
Anybody have any advice on that?
Trade never after. You send me a message, I'll tell you if I get it. If you got a conversation with me, send me a message. I'll tell you if I get it. If we were talking about Tesla, it wasn't me.
Okay, one down.
I don't even know the last time I traded Tesla. Mike, we're gonna have to have like secret codes or something. Put in the secret code before. I heard something. Did I get a message? No, it must have been you making noise.
What? Hey, Ruan.
What do you see, Ruin?
NQ Futures XXXX. I read it. I saw the U. I read it as a Ruan.
What is that noise?
What? No, order filled. Order filled. Maybe you're hearing my order filled.
Come on, man. Guys, one of these accounts has got to be on
No.
the bot account, so y'all gonna have to watch. I gotta know where to put my stop losses.
Push it higher. Got to be careful at
Yeah,
this time of the
Omnis, you could
market.
probably switch it the other way. Fine, yes, I probably could do that also.
If you're not careful during this time of the market, you can fall into a rug pull. I got to be careful. How's it going, NQ? How it going this morning? I love it. You don't hear my keyboard anymore.
It is you. I just said no. You have a younger picture. LOL.
Wow. Is anybody paying attention to this? I
Mike.
said NQ.
Oh, go
No,
ahead.
this is too important. MES, that's MES. I said NQ was weaker. Forget about it. Look at NQ.
To the moon. Let's go.
NQ, forget it. All the strength is in NQ.
Mike, I don't want to brag, but I can have full conversations with people in Discord and not even have to talk.
Okay, that's another one. Sweep on next.
Trade never after. I got no message from you, buddy. Whoever you chatting with. Oh, it ain't me.
Up. Up. Like a dog trainer. Okay, lost money on that one.
One day we got to find a solution
Uh-oh.
to these scammers.
Mm. Go, 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 go. That was good. Okay, perfect. 181. I'm going to leave that there. That's close enough to 200. Next.
There's Trade Never. Trade Never After. Is that the real you? Is that the scammer? Must accept.
What? Why is there a scammer trading ever after?
Wave to trading ever after. Yeah. Now send him a penis pic. Wow, I gotta do that already? Boy,
Discord tells you to do that?
That
Discord.
escalated quickly.
Ah,
Well,
crazy, right?
damn.
Fucking things that go on Discord.
Mike, stay still. I gotta get a picture of you.
Yeah, Mr. Big Dick. Mr. Dickhead. Somebody said his wife calls him dickhead or something, or penis head, or prick, or I don't know. Told him, oh wow, wait. Oh shit, I'm not using my clicker. It's a good
Anyways,
trade. It's a
Trade
good
Never
trade.
After. That one's me. Any other one you're talking to is not me. Block them, ban them, mark them as scam.
Yeah. We're gonna have to do a cleanup. Should have a cleanup day. Oh, wait a minute.
I
We're on the
already
wrong
did. I
chart.
did that the other
1
day.
minute.
But that
Looking.
doesn't, just because I ban them from the server doesn't mean that they're no longer friends with the people in the server.
Down 56. We're looking for a red candle on the 1 minute chart there for the PM trade. Someone is texting me and saying, is this it? Is this the setup? Is this what we're looking for?
Guys, these scammers, they're good, man. They're good.
Uh-oh. David! He's back. He's back. Okay, let's see if we can get in. Yeah. Listen to the dinging. Okay. Racking up the gains. I'm gonna take a I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break. It's a good
Hey, D,
time.
how's it going, my friend?
Wait. What did we say? A 3 lot, right? 41. No, we still have 40 seconds to go.
Hey, D in the house. You want to see the water bot? It's a lot of fun. People were asking me about it last night.
Let's assume we get in there. Approximately, I'll update. 19, 18, 17. Countdown to the PM trade. 11. Big candle. Doesn't matter. I'm taking it. 1 for 1. I'll add at the 50%.
Trade never after can't play till 9:45. I gotta shake it. Shake
I
it
didn't get a
twice.
good price, so I'm going to add again over here and over here. I hope I'm not making a huge mistake.
Hey D, how you guys doing? Mike, Omnius.
Push down. There we go. I got my price. I think that gave me some money, but I got my price. Now we're going for buy limit right there. And we'll see what happens. We're reaching. Yeah, that's the 1 for 1.
Hey D, I'm doing good, but Mike's done went totally bonkers. He's talking to himself.
Oh, no, I was talking to Martin.
Oh.
Martin P. You know Martin P with an A or Martin A with a P? Martin PA? Martin PM trade? Martin?
Oh, well, that's better. Okay. I thought you were going crazy. I
Mm.
was like, this guy's totally bonkers.
How long is this going to take?
Oh, so close! No! Sounded like Jerry Seinfeld there.
They say a couple years of day trading to make you mad.
No, I was playing the sounds. I would have gotten out, man.
Maybe I need to get the Mad Hatter hat.
Mm.
Mike, we need Mad Hatter hats.
Gotta lighten up, guys. I don't even know what a Mad Hatter is. Sounds like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde.
Come on, man. You cannot be serious.
Yep. Who's the Mad Hatter? Was he like some kind of
I'm not even. You're gonna have to ask the chat. I can't.
serial criminal?
I can't do it.
Anybody with the name Mad Hatter is a serial something. And he's not a cereal box character, I can tell you that much. We never bought Mad Hatter puffs. Okay, I'm out. I mismanaged the trade. Maybe I'll get back in. I don't know. But I made 161. Wait, hold on.
Do y'all never sit down as a family and watch movies?
Oh, no. Oh, let me just, I'm doing accounting here. Equals.
How about an extra ball for whoever tells us who the Mad Hatter is?
And it is at 8:54. Continue to trade it if I can. Mad Hatter. Cartoon character?
Hatter, come on. Come on,
Fictional
man.
character from the same company that came up with Willy Wonka?
Alice in Wonderland. He's a character in Alice in Wonderland.
Wow.
He's the Mad Hatter.
Was he good? Or like in the
Alice in Chains.
Wizard of Oz? Was he the Wicked Witch of the West, or was he the good witch from the East?
You gotta give Papalondo an extra ball.
Papalondo. Puppy.
Throw No Skills one also, because Alice in Chains was a good comment on it too.
That's good. No skills. I'm going to miss my opportunity to take a little more out of this. Hold on.
I don't know if he was the good guy or the bad guy. He was just the Mad Hatter.
Okay, Tuesday. Oppo.
Papa.
No, 2. Oppa.
Extra. I like some.
Who said
Mike,
that?
AD, you want
Sure,
some extra?
that'll be the ask and you receive. AD. AD3, you'll get 2 AD. I'm going to give a max of 2 now per person. You max out at 2. Yeah, well, I still got the fibs here up on the PM trade. We're targeting 171. I think we hit 171 and a quarter right there. But officially, it didn't take me out. I don't even know where I had my limit order, though, so who knows? There is no officially.
Who knows, man?
But I am up 181 on the trade. 17, 30,
Mad
40,
Hatter is the
50,
hippie through and through.
I should be up 300 if it hits target, so that's pretty good. So one more and see if I can pull another 20, 30 bucks. Does he have to trade it the way Martin tells you? Scalp it. In and out, scalping.
Mike,
Boom.
I should read you my conversation from this guy yesterday. Talk about totally bonkers.
Oh, yeah. What do you mean where? Where did you have a conversation?
Oh, the guy about the box.
Oh.
You don't have a number you can call. Oh, God, if I'd have been on the phone, I'd have used so many bad words. Oh, God.
We're done. We're through the 200, guys. Trade's over. I got 259. If I had traded it regularly without going in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out, I would have had 300. It's good enough. Back to business over here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really get what's going on with your box there. I don't know.
I fought with those people in Discord. I kid you not. From the time I stopped talking to you to about the time I started the stream last night.
Hmm.
And the one guy, I think he's the supervisor, he started the conversation with, I don't understand why you're having a problem. It's really easy to set up. And my next words were, great, this is going to go very quickly then. Just tell me how and let's get it over with. I have other things to do. 6 hours later,
Not on the
they still
phone.
couldn't figure it out.
They spent that much time with you on the phone.
I wasn't on the phone, it's on Discord.
Oh, Discord. Wow.
I have a whole Discord chat.
No kidding.
Now they're trying to bring in engineers and all kinds of stuff. They're like, well, we don't fucking know.
Wow. Omnis, really? I don't get you. Your mic's working. What are you killing yourself for? Explain me. What are you trying to get your mic to do? Make you sound like Elvis?
It's hard. It's hard to. I can't even tell you.
But it's working.
You would think, yeah, okay, yeah, sure.
It is. I hear you. For me, if I hear you, your mic's working. I can get hurt on this trade.
I had to jerry rig it to get it to work. And when I tell them later today I did it again, they're gonna be pissed off. And I'm gonna say, look, I got shit to do, man. I can't. Y'all had like 6-7 hours. Y'all still couldn't figure it out. What do you want me to do?
Good morning, hippie farmer. What's happening? What's up? How's it going? Papa, jeez! I just made one can of my funded by mistake. Took a long an NQ thinking it was MNQ. Fast 2-second trade. Yeah, how's
Sweet.
that, eh?
Love it when that happens. Only bad thing is if the chart's still there, it's going to go the other way too. Sooner or later, it's going to happen.
And this one lose.
That's why I have no NQ charts available.
Oh, yes, this one can lose. I got to get out.
If I want to trade NQ, I simply type it into the chart.
I'm taking too much risk. Yeah.
Oh my! Then the guy wanted access to my computer.
Yeah, well, that's the best way, no?
I'm like, yeah, I don't think so, man.
Oof. That was close. Wow.
I told my
What?
wife, she's like, you're just going to give some random guy on Discord access to your computer?
If you want to see what the
what could possibly go wrong?
Nah, come on. If you want to see what the Renko chart looks like that I'm trading right now, man, take a look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Woo! And I didn't get hurt. Not bad. Nah, that's what it's for. The remote support.
So you're telling me you would just give you'd give random guy on Discord.
He's not a random guy on Discord. He's customer support for Box Magic or whatever that your
How
thing
do I
is
even
called.
know that?
Well, how did you get in touch with him?
I went on their Discord and said, dear God, I'm tired of fucking with this fucking box.
Well, there you go. So you know that you got some legitimate guy.
On Discord?
Yeah. I'm going to get hurt.
That's literally what I said, too.
Yeah, you can trust that.
I was telling my wife that the supervisor had an attitude. I was like, well, I did kind of start it with the way I started the conversation also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've never seen 6. I'm sorry. No way. Kidding me? I'm going to get 6. Guys, I had to take a really big trade on that. I'm sorry. It's just too odd. It was too odd. I had to take a big trade on that. It was a pass an account in one trade type of setup. I don't even know what count. No. Well, at least it wasn't I didn't even know what account I was on. At least it wasn't a PA. What do we got from CVD? CVD's kind of drifted lower. Okay. The bot's getting hammered too. What's the 44? 44 ATR with no continuation in any direction? How's that even possible? What kind of crazy market is this? Oh my God. There we go. Lost the account. Nah, they got me on that one.
What?
It's okay. It was worth it. How many left? I have 2 left to trade. Okay. Okay. It was worth it, man. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, huge
6.
delta spike. Seen that?
Yeah. 7 losers in a row. Seriously.
Man, I'd love to have a bot that just buys and sells on huge delta spikes.
Yeah.
I don't know how you'd set that up though.
Yeah, you'd have to have something to measure it against.
Maybe like a Dochain channel or something.
Mm.
I don't know. Bollinger Band? Because a huge spike would be relative, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would have submitted. No, I'm not buying at the pivot point.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I'd have to find an indicator that would spike with it. So fast though.
I don't think I've ever seen a sequence like that.
Could maybe do an ATR, average true range. 5/30. Might try that. See if I can duplicate. See if I can set that up through a alert. Probably the easiest way to try it.
Getting to
How would I set that?
up. Long. Given that I'm a trend trader. Wow. What's amazing is look at that on the 5-minute chart. Hold on, let me get that up after I take a loss here. This on the 5-minute chart. Is that amazing? And yet we made money on the PM trade right in this little thing over here. Good too. You're not going to get me again with a sideways action. Good. Slot. Hey, remember we were talking about the suction hose and the mucus and the phlegm and all that? I get served a YouTube video about that. Anyways, the moral of the story is don't do too much because you're irritating it, number one, and drink water to thin it down.
Drink a lot of water. It don't seem to be working.
Oh, yeah? And the myth that dairy or cheese is going to make it worse is just a myth.
Have heard that.
That's according to the video I saw.
But drink water.
Mm-hmm.
This is a myth, but drink water. Yeah, I don't think water's going to do it, buddy.
Water makes sense.
Yeah, I need the cumulative delta. Okay. Okay.
Tongue push, eh?
Field.
And the funny thing is, the ES caught up.
Alert. How do I set the alert? Indicator? 5 greater than 30. Let's do 1 bar ago. That way we're on the close.
No. You bugger. Oh, you got one. Had a limit sell in order on that last account there I'm trading, trying to get over 200. Filled me on one lot. Ah, you got so close. Oh. Taking too long. Taking too long. Close it. Wait for another trade. Shouldn't be taking that long. We should have busted up. Not getting any information from, well, CVD is showing strength still. So if we go down by 2 red bars, go down a little bit, maybe touch the band, that would be a good long. If CVD is not finding a way to go down, this means we're just taking a pause before the buyers come back in. Let me set it to a 1 lot. I'm trading a balance, and I said I wouldn't trade it anymore once it hit 180. It's close enough to the 200. I don't do. A bit of a red
That's
bar
not going
there.
to work. I'm going to have another condition.
Got me again.
Yeah. See how it does there. It's going to need another condition, though.
Take a break. Take a break. I'm a little bit off. Not too much off. Skelly. How's it going, Skelly? Oh, all the regulars are here. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I have no idea if the bot's still taking trades. I don't even know if it's activated. Hold on, let me check. Strategies. Yes, it is. It's activated. But it's getting killed. Which count is it? Today is not a good day for the bot. Minus 1675. And the other one is the 19 minus 1800. That's me on an eval Apex. That
Mike, I just
Yes.
turned the alert strategy on. It's at $500. I think it needs some more conditions.
Wait, you said it's up 500.
Yeah, it's already down 500 now.
Oh my God. What size are you trading? You're
I
not
was
on
5 lot. I can't
March
see it. It's
50
not even
points.
showing
That
up
was
on my.
fast.
Oh, is that not the right one? Chart trader. I don't know. I can't see. It's not showing me the.
Oh.
It's not showing me the trades.
Mm.
I wonder why that is. Can I see it over here? Oh, it's stacking orders. Actually, I told you I need more conditions.
You guys, always told you when you're coding, you have no idea what errors are going to show up. Oh, sorry. We're not on the bot. You just missed the bot winning trade.
Come on, man. I'm only down $2,000 in like 3 minutes. All right. So we're stacking order. That's the problem with the creating something with the alert. I always wish they would make that where you could like turn it into a bot or something, but
Mm. Yeah.
what other condition could I use? So right now it's just picking every candle. If the 5 ATR is above the 30, then it's taking a buy. If it's below, it's taking a sell.
Mm.
Can we get a volume spike on a delta? Is that possible?
And we get a whoop, whoop.
That'd be kind of hard to set up, wouldn't it?
Well, we've taken out previous day's high. We've taken out the 1 a.m. highs. We're basically at session highs. And what I mean by session, I mean since the Globex opened. So tricky PM trade, eh? Yeah, it was. But like you said, it made it. I made the profit on it. I got 259.80, scalping my way in and out a few times. I chose to do it that way. And if I didn't scalp in and out and I just held, I would have made 300. And the account is up on 2 trades, 952. Let's see if it passes the account. If it passes the account, I'm going to give it the PA account, and I'll trade it also.
The volume was a dud. I can't do the volume because it's a volume chart. I always forget that. Amazing how long I've been using volume charts. Still forget you can't use volume. Okay. I have to figure out another thing to add. Just want to catch those delta spikes. Work on it later. Mike, it would have been a good full port bot.
Mm-hmm.
You want a full port? Turn this on.
Yep, you don't get faster than that.
I was up 2,000, down 2,000, back up, back down. All in what, like 5 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Trade never after. What the hell? I go for a beer and a pee, shake my wiener. And you guys
What
broke the market?
the
Mike broke it.
hell, man?
It was Mike's fault. He broke it.
CBD coming down.
See how the delta's dropping so hard? I just figure,
Thank you.
I feel like if I could capture that.
CBD's coming down. Kind of short. Pops. 10-point pops. I'm short already at 55.
Could maybe throw in a moving average.
Went down to 35. So if it goes up to 45, I'll add. Back up to 50. Ooh, good. Do good. Take my money and run.
Ooh, take the money and run.
Yep. Oh, isn't that the best sound in the song?
Mike, I want a moving average to be tight, right?
Mac? Did you just call me Mac?
I said Mike.
Sound like Mac.
I want a tight moving average, but not too tight. What I want it to do is delta spikes up. I want it to break the moving average. Delta spikes down, break the moving average down. What are we thinking? 9, 14, 21?
I don't know. I'm taking a.
Help. Let's stick with the 14 for now.
Come on, we should dump lower. Don't be greedy. Bulls make money, bears make money, and what happens to pigs?
Bacon.
Yeah, bacon. Did get the fall, but Guess is coming down also. $900. Okay. Made 900 in my PAs combined. That's good enough. I stop. Not only am I going to stop, I'm going to stop. I said I'm going to stop on Friday. You weren't here, eh? Yeah, you weren't here for the disaster. I said I would stop. I even told my wife. I went up to get a coffee, and I told her, "Well, I'm having a great day. I'm going to stop."
Mm.
And I didn't. I came down, took one more trade.
One more trade.
Yep. And the equity went from plus 6,000 to minus 6,000. One more trade. Can you believe it?
My EMA is not picking up the delta properly. Isn't there a cumulative delta?
Yeah, guys. Rinse and repeat. How can we join the giveaway?
This one.
Type in exclamation mark floor. Type in exclamation mark omnius. Type in exclamation mark get stuffed. Exclamation mark melody. Exclamation mark Martin. They all work.
Too many exclamation marks.
Yeah. It's your fault. I would do it without the exclamation mark. You insisted. Martin. I see it.
Mm-mm.
+1.
My EMA won't pick up the delta.
TEA. Yeah, that's got to work too, eh, bud? It's not TEA. Didn't you hear me say exclamation mark before the words TEA? Like I said it 1,000 times. Exclamation mark this, exclamation mark that. And you put the exclamation mark at the end, -1 ball for you. That would be fun. Okay. There you go. NQ works and TEA works. There you go. Or floor. I'm special. So special. Very special. For the best balls, type Skelly. Yeah, that's true. Yep. You got it. Just NQ though. Not the whole, you know. Hey guys, did you see this? I showed it twice already. Friday morning, if I can convince her. 7:30 a.m. One, I got to convince her to wake up. Two, I got to convince her that that it'll work. I don't know. She's a smart girl. I think she'll get it. And I think we should do it fairly. She should be alone on the computer. I'll just talk to her via Discord or something. What I see. And yeah, absolutely. She'll be, you're my first guinea pig. Hey, Martin, we're doing it next Tuesday morning, right? No, not a Joe. Well, I don't know yet. No, I don't know yet. She still hasn't committed. I just created the graphic to show her. Okay, so yeah, because I already posted it. Anyways, Martin, don't feel pressured, eh? If you don't want to do it, it's no problem. I'm still gonna do it. Just with my problems, like I said today, look how much better I did. And that minus 1,800, I'm happy with it. That was once in a very blue moon situation. I went to pass the account in one shot. All the others, I said 200, and all the others did good. I had the clicker. Not only did I have the clicker, I didn't just wear it. I had it in my fingertips, and I was using it. I don't know if the mic picked it up. But anyways, we'll see if I can convince her. Not guaranteed yet. Come on, JC. Hey, that's a good song. You know, someone asked me what my favorite song is in the world. Come on, Eileen, Dexy's Midnight Runners or something like that. That is a good song. Anybody know how Canada did in the World Cup? And the other funny thing is, I don't hear anybody talking about the U.S. Are they even in it?
What is it, hockey?
No, the soccer.
Soccer?
Yeah.
I don't hear anybody talk about it. In the U.S., all they really talk about is like football and stuff.
Sure, we'll look at it, Martin.
So is soccer the real football, or is football the real football?
I have no idea. I would say soccer is the real football.
You don't have an opinion on that debate?
Football. It's foot. They call it foot. And they say it with that accent. They don't say foot. They say foot.
I mean, at least in soccer, they actually kick the ball, right? That seemed more like a football.
Yeah. I think soccer was played hundreds of years before football was played in the world, around the world, not in the U.S.
Think soccer's that old?
I think soccer's a very old game. Yeah. I mean, like as soon as the ball was invented, what would a person do? You would naturally kick it. Football is an invented game. How long after, I mean, you know how many centuries after the round ball was invented that they came up with a ball in the shape of a football? What was that even? Did the machine break? The ball machine broke and it came up with a ball that's in the shape of a football, and they said, what the fuck? Hey, catch! And then they started to play in the factory.
It says soccer was invented in 1863.
No. Hey, when?
1863, but it has ancient roots back as 206 BC.
That's what I would think.
Is Cujo?
Guys, rugby is for girls. You want to see a game? Go watch hurling. Hurling is like rugby, but it's played with bats. And they can hit you with the bat. Literally, they can hit you with the bat when you're running, when you're trying to get the ball. I don't even know if the bats serve any other purpose but to beat the other player senseless. The first time we saw it on TV, we were on the floor laughing. No, not curling. Hurling. Change that C for an H. It's kind of like cheese running, but even worse. I think they've tamed it down. You need to try to get a hurling game from the 80s. I think way too many injuries, so they probably tamed it down. But in the 80s, they were beating the craps out of the player with those bats.
Well, that's just bats, huh?
Yeah, not a lot of people. I'm Mike's neighbor.
Your trade neighbor after your neighbor?
Well, if you consider Maine my neighbor, it would be like you considering Georgia your neighbor.
Yeah, kinda. Just remember, for all the northern people, just remember that Georgia is under Florida.
Way below Florida.
Yeah, way below Florida. You're gonna go through Florida. You're gonna keep driving, right? And then you're gonna get
keep driving. And if a state trooper tells you otherwise, he's just confused.
It's just a stripper. A fake uniform.
By the way, TEA is moving to Augusta, Georgia. He's going to play in the Masters. Augusta, Maine. Augusta, what a beautiful... Coach Fred! Wow, Coach Fred.
Coach
Nice
Fred,
to see
number
you.
1. That means there's a number 2 and a number 3.
Been a while, yeah. I've seen you around at a few rooms, but I only really hang around in Big Daddy Max's room, so maybe that's where you've been. I think I even said hi one time, but you might have left already.
Yeah, Martin, coach of what?
Coach of what, Fred? Never know when you guys are live. Look for the red dot, Coach Fred, right over my shoulder. There's a red dot. Come back later.
Why you want to come back later?
I don't know. I'm just telling Coach Fred. Never been to Big Daddy Max, really? I saw you somewhere, and that's really the only channel I go to right now. I don't go to anybody else's. Not even for a brief moment. Anyways. Maybe it was Coach Fred number 2. Maybe that's why the person didn't reply.
Gonna have to start looking at the number, huh?
Yeah. That's right. Exactly, Coach Fred. Exactly. You're not seeing it. That's why you should stick around. Coach Dakota. No, it was Coach Fred. Absolutely, 100%. And I remember seeing number something, and I said, I don't remember Coach Fred having number something there. Anyways, doesn't matter. Not important. TEA, Augusta, Maine. Yeah, it is what they call the second largest city in Maine. All 3 cities in Maine would fit in Lower Manhattan. Paul. Nice to see you, Paul. For the best balls, type exclamation mark Scally Omnis. You got to put exclamation mark Scally in the list if you want the players to get the best balls.
Yeah, it was supposed to be exclamation mark Omnius and exclamation mark Floor, but somebody done screwed that all up.
Welcome to Chicago. We're excited to have you, man.
That's why you got to put an exclamation mark Scally.
What can you do?
For the best balls.
Ruin the game. No more giveaway.
It's over.
It's over.
Disruptive men's personal care
I quit.
How are we looking on inventory and production?
Bones in the snow. If I fall tonight, let the old rooms glow.
Where are we going?
Where are we going? I'm going to physio today. My wife's forcing me to go to physio. Can you believe it?
Don't know what that is.
Physiotherapy. So stupid. That's where some guy tells you. That's where some guy watches a video on YouTube and then charges you $120 to do the exercises from that video.
And then tells you not to watch the video from YouTube.
I can't do it myself. Okay. Do this with your ankle and do that with your ankle. Okay, I could have just typed in ankle pain on the YouTube, but...
You show up and the guy's telling you not to watch YouTube videos, but then he's doing exactly what the YouTube video told you to do.
Mm-hmm.
Like, hey, did you watch the same video? I didn't realize that was a 400-point move. If y'all caught some of that.
Well, I can't trade anymore. If I want to be disciplined, I can't trade anymore. I got every account over 250 that I had to trade with, except for one that I busted.
Lake. The mist descends upon the shore.
Oh, yeah? The IB trade. We have the PM trade, and then we have the IB trade. Exclusive. Only here. It is true, actually, because we trade them differently.
What we look for, initial balance and then retest?
No, the break. You just find a way to enter. Look what half it closes in, the top half or the bottom half. And once it closes in one of those halves, if it closes in the top half, look for it to break. You're expecting it to break the top side, and you look for an entry inside the IB for it to break out to the upside. So, maybe use a swing low as your entry, or I don't know what Martin uses as an entry. I don't take that trade. I don't know what Martin uses as the entry. But I've been watching it a little bit, and it's doing pretty well. Motorsports. How's it going, Motorsports? Bullish on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute, yeah. We're just climbing up the, I don't know what this is, a 20 or 30 MA. Usually I use 30, but in this case I'm using 20. Don't know why I would have 20 there. I should always use 30. 20 there also. Really? I thought I was 30. 30 over there. I'm going to change it all to 30. 30 holds better. And it's fast enough. Slow enough and it's fast enough. It's the perfect compromise.
Ice on the ore, cold on my hands. I know the shore by the scars in the land. Smoke from the fire, rising so thin. Your name in the dark
campfire.
like a rune carved in.
So if you want to go camping with your boy or with your family, and with your snake problem and the gator problem, aren't you like nervous all the time? Especially for a snake can find a tiny little hole right at the zipper and work his way in.
Snakes typically don't like being around people.
No, but they wouldn't know when the tent is closed and you're sleeping at night. They would just kind of accidentally bump into the hole and...
Possible, yeah. Then you're kind of trapped in the tent with a snake. How funny would that be? You're trying to get out and running through the tent.
You said the pythons is what you have problems with, right? Now?
That's more in the Everglades. We're not camping in the Everglades.
And the other snakes, are they poisonous or they're just...
Oh yeah, a whole bunch of poison snakes.
Really? No, we just have snakes here that are... Oh, look how cute he is. What a cutie.
I think more of your problem would be the spiders.
Oh my
I'm
God.
more worried about the spiders.
I don't know. Why didn't anybody tell me this when I was growing up and going to Florida every year? No one ever told me there was poisonous snakes and poisonous spiders. My parents were letting me go play wherever I wanted to play.
We was at a camp out one time, and I was sitting in a chair. We was all sitting around the campfire, and the snake just like goes right underneath my chair, like right next to my foot. Like, what the hell? What are you doing there, guy? Just like went on about his business.
Wow. How do you know all that, TEA? Did you own a pet store?
Copperhead, moccasin, yep. Was it coral snake? Red on black, red on yellow. I don't know. I can't remember it.
Well, then isn't it wise to carry anti-venom with you?
No, nobody has anti-venom.
No kidding. Wow, I would have an anti-venom kit. That's the first
I
thing
don't
I'm doing
know.
when I go to Florida. I'm going to the pharmacy. Where do I get the anti-venom kit?
Pretty sure it's tailored like to a specific snake.
Yeah, well, that's it. That's why I said a kit. Give me the kit.
So you get bit, the first thing you gotta do is go find the snake, so you know what bit you.
Fuck off. Give me them all. Don't waste any time.
So now you have to chase down the snake that just bit you. I hope it don't bite you again.
Wow. You're in the Ozarks.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful place.
Cottonmouths and rattlesnakes everywhere.
Jesus.
Hi there.
What's wrong
I'm
with
Kira
the
Joshua,
US? Is this
CEO
all
of
Trump's
Transport
fault?
Paper. We're UX
I remember as a kid, like running through the woods barefoot, never once thought about a snake.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as you get older, you're like, wait a second. Those woods were filled with poisonous snakes that could have killed me at any point in time, and I didn't have fucking shoes on? Did my parents know about this?
I know, that's what I'm saying. My parents let me go play wherever I wanted to. Never once did I hear anything about snakes, gators, spiders. It was just go have a good time, be back for lunch.
Well, be back before it's dark out.
Oh, yeah, the Ozarks. An insane show. Especially the first season. He's such a good actor, that guy. I forgot his name. He's so like rated, but he makes so many movies and he's so good. Bateman, Jason Bateman. His sister was in Family Ties, if I'm not mistaken. With Michael Jackson. Not Batman. Jason Batman. Oh, yeah? Wow. Oh, that's a question. Yeah, Michael J. Fox. That's it. I forgot his name. How can I forget Michael J. Fox's name? A fellow Canadian, I think. Good guy.
I was surprised at how many like U.S. independent news people are from Canada. Hey, our best news people are Canadian. You're finding out your politics from Canadian news people. They used to have that one was from Canada, Rebel News.
Oh, yeah.
Watching this video yesterday, this guy was talking about guy being a day trader, and he made like $40,000, but then had like $800,000.
Ah, I saw that too.
Saw that same video?
Yeah, it was based on the wash sale rule. Yeah.
Wash sale, yeah. I thought it was pretty crazy, but with the new PDT rule, imagine how much that's going to affect people.
Yeah.
I think most people don't understand the wash sale, the PDT rule, and all that. So if people don't know what the wash sale is when you take a trade on a stock and you lose money, you're technically not supposed to trade it again for 30 days, 31 days, whatever it is. And if you get back into the stock before 30 days, then it falls under a wash sale. And the profit and loss is calculated differently, and the taxes are calculated differently. I don't think it would affect most people the way supposedly that guy did. Like, I don't know the full story of it, but you just got to be careful when trading stocks. over and over every day. Be careful about wash sales and stuff like that.
Yeah, what was the best part of the video when they showed the different instruments that are affected by it, and under the not affected by it was futures.
Futures go by a different. Futures go by a different tax bracket.
Oh, that's so funny.
Futures has the lowest taxes, I think, in trading.
They're just liberal North Americans, the Canadians. A? No, it's not A like that, TEA.
It's like a drunken slurred A.
He just put the letter A. It's not, it's this. There you go. It's A.
A?
And A means, huh? What? It also means, you know what? It means everything. Are we leaving, eh? Yeah, you say it after every sentence. It's just a great expression. And a boot. Coming up.
Yep, that's what's great about futures. You don't have to configure your taxes for every different trade type you take. Also in trading stocks, if you're supposed to hold a stock for a year, if you sell it in less than a year, you have to pay a certain tax. If you do wash sales, you have to do a certain tax. Even the guy was talking about like cross-platform and stuff. If you buy Tesla here and sell it, and then you buy it over on a different platform and sell it, you still gotta report a wash sale. That's why I think futures is the best.
How's it going, Bears? Bears. I would be very careful about taking a short right now. You better have a lot of reasons to take it.
Got good reasons. Look to the left. 1 hour chart. Run into resistance.
Is that a 1 hour chart? I don't see anything. Yes, I do. You're right.
Let's look at, what's that, 21st, 19th,
Right.
22nd, 18th, 17th, 16th.
I'm going to agree to disagree.
And if you put up a volume profile, huge volume node, and point of control for this area would be at around 30,550.
I see a 60-point area of resistance at 880 to 940. I like resistance where the markets came down. I'm not a fan of resistance where markets previously bounced higher.
I'm your host, Monica. Today we are
if buying came in there, we would assume buying would come back in right now. Anyways, that's just me.
I'm not saying I would short. I like following the trend.
Yeah.
But you said you don't see a single reason. I was just saying.
This is the October stone.
Even with that line there.
Ago we came up
1
with
hour
like
fair value gap.
As a new
Looks like we're on the 22nd or whatever.
For all the other months.
Closed.
It started in February of 2021.
Got disrespected. So.
And it like grew.
Anyways, whatever.
People started ordering.
Look.
Which was.
If it's your system, then you have a reason to go short. Omnius is seeing it. That's me again.
So joyful.
What?
You know what? I don't ask anymore. I don't get it. I don't ask.
Ask what? What the hell are y'all talking about?
Exactly. I don't ask anymore. People are talking in code. They're not putting information in their sentences. They're just saying things like, Omnius is seeing it.
What am I seeing?
I don't know. And then that's me again. I don't get that part either. Someone wrote you today in a message. Something you. I said, what is that?
Never after. Are you drunk?
Undercover underwear? What does you stand for?
Undercover underwear.
Yep. We're off to see the wizard. Maybe I could trade one lots. Nice little band bounce over here. Oh, no, wait. There'd be a band bounce short on the other trade. Okay, we'll sit it out.
He's like, yep.
Yep.
Was I not supposed to be drunk?
Not going to trade if there's contradicting signals.
I bet Trade Never After is a terrible trader when he's sober. I'm telling you learn how to do something drunk and you're terrible at it sober.
His wife should have a fucking really good time with him. Wait, when he's drinking, he's trading. She should take a video or an MP4 or a screen recording, whatever. He goes to the bathroom. He put on the screen recording and let him see try to press the buttons on the full screen recording. Fuck, none of the fucking buttons are working.
That would be awesome.
He calls tech support.
Yeah, right. I'm surprised you haven't done that to your son, at least one of your sons yet.
Mm.
No skills. AD, how's it going? No skills. Melody told us we have to come up with a nickname for you.
Boom.
I was thinking like no feet, but then she said that you don't really like feet.
Just about to take a shower. Be back in 50 minutes.
The wolf track crossed the yard, and the fjord kept calling for more. Smoke in the winter beam, salt on the old pine floor.
Yep, it's in that spot where you don't want to short and you don't want to really go long.
Then I went down to
What do you do?
hear that low hum deep in my chest, like iron in water, like a vow unkept.
No skills. I hate feet. Mine just hurt all the time. Mike, he does hate feet.
I've heard.
I'm not a foot person.
Mm-hmm.
Come to me with your damn feet. Bite them. Actually, I probably wouldn't. That's a lie. Ain't no way I'm putting a foot in my mouth.
Well, I don't think you're supposed to put the whole foot. That would be a little difficult. Unless you got a really big mouth.
Maybe. No.
I think you're just supposed to clip the toenails with your teeth.
No way, man. No
Yeah,
way.
Swear to God.
No way.
450 on the short.
Yeet.
The short that I said you better not take a short. That's what I like. Independent thinking. And I'm not being sarcastic.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, you are. Are you being sarcastic about being sarcastic?
No. I'm not that sarcastic. Drink water. It'll help with that.
Yeah, tell me about it. Speaking of that, I do need a refill.
Gotta say, it's
Wow.
great when you can take out that kind of money on a little bit of a pullback like that on this strong move.
While I'm gone, you and Trade Never After can talk about that LFG.
Stone hall open wide. Drum skin answer now.
Let's friggin' go.
Left a trail
Ats.
of ash on the sea
Let's
and
go,
the
Ats.
cloud. If the dark takes my breath, let it hear me sing. Grave as the mountain, wild as a
Order filled. Went long. Take this opportunity to let you know we're going to be running a mentorship group. How to fix your trading issues that you're facing using positive process. Meaning we don't focus on the negative. We don't say, I'm not going to overtrade tomorrow, or I'm not going to ruin my profit or lose my profit after 11 o'clock. It's all going to be focusing on positive process. You set a goal, and you put together the process to accomplish that goal. The goal is positive. You put together a process. Tuesday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time will be the first one. It'll be in the Discord. It will also be on YouTube. I'll create recordings for that. Martin P. has volunteered to share the troubles that he is going through and to share the goals that he's setting up for himself. I will do the same thing. Friday and Monday was a disastrous day. I was looking over my records. The early part of June also, I had some disastrous days. So I got to get those solved. And that's it. So if you guys want to join, go into the Discord, look for the mentorship channel and type in I'm in. And you'll get the link when the class starts. Again, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. And if I convince my wife, then 7:30 a.m. on Friday, I am going to start teaching my wife to trade. So it's going to be exclusively Renko charts up on the screen. And she's going to trade what I use that gave me all those greens over there and gives me the greens pretty much every day. So you guys will get to see that. You'll get to see how a new trader struggles with the logic. I'm very curious to see. Who knows? Maybe it's all experience. Maybe if I just give her the recipe, it won't work at all for her. We'll find out if she decides to do it. I think she will, but no promises yet, guys. If you see the thumbnail posted, that means she gave the green light for it. If you don't see the thumbnail, that's the thumbnail right there. If you don't see that on my page, then we don't have the green light for it. And we got to continue trying. But I think it's a great experiment to see if a newbie who knows nothing about the markets can capture the logic. Obviously, the first days, it's going to be, like when you're teaching your kid to drive and they sit in your lap and you kind of hold the steering while they hold the steering. So obviously, it's going to be some kind of setup like that, I'm going to try and let her get a feel of what I'm doing and when I'm doing it. She's not going to know why I'm doing it. It's going to be so automated, and the why is like completely gone. It's just going to be the when. And we'll see what happens. I don't think she'll have that much success because, what's important? Context is king. And although I don't put context a lot into my trades, I still do have a lot of context in my trades. I still am looking at the CVD. I am looking at the divergence between ES and NQ. Looking at the 1,000 volume, checking the top step charts to see what a bias is. So she's not going to have any of that. She's just going to have pure technical mechanical trading, scalping on the Renko. Like right now, 55, I would tell her short at 65, stop at 75. So 61, 62, she would put in the order, wouldn't have gotten filled, and we would have missed it. Yoga classes with We Trade Futures. No yoga classes. Hey, and if we do this, you guys better show up, eh? If we're doing this class to like 2 people, or this feature or episode, I'll be very disappointed if nobody shows up. I'm gonna say, hey, WTF, but the original one. Nobody? What day is it today? Is it Tuesday, Wednesday? I'm coming with the camera on. I don't know. I think it's a great way to learn how to scalp because that's what she's going to be doing. You guys are going to see my technique right there. Like I said, I don't put the Renkos up because I did in the beginning and no one liked them. Everyone ran away from the channel. No one related to them. But as a 1 hour series, let's say on Fridays or whatever in the morning, once or twice a week, where someone will be trying to learn the way I swing the bat. So she's going to be jumping right into the hyper scalper seat. I got good genes. Sydney Sweeney. That was a great commercial. Like, honestly, who does that? Who teaches someone how to scalp like a trade every minute minimum? Gonna get her own account, start from 50K. Let's see what happens. Anyways, that's the plan. $100 club. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Still waiting for the final thumbs up on that one. The mentorship group I mentioned next Tuesday, 7:30 a.m. And Saturday at 10 o'clock, I run the learn how to create your own strategy and Ninja Trader classes. So if you want to be part of those, any of those, go sign up in the Discord. Well, just as I mentioned not to take a short, markets have been coming down. Bing! I don't know what that is. 450, down 100 points since then, eh? Oh my God, I just realized I'm going to have to teach her how to click the buttons. No skills. Did you see the image there that I posted before? I'll put it up for another 5 seconds. This will be hopefully Friday morning. 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. What am I getting myself into? Yeah, that's probably the face you'll be making. Hey, do you think that could lead to divorce? You know how hot-headed I am. How we doing on the bot? Oh my God, we're getting skunked. We'll see if Lucky JC is actually lucky or not. Mm-hmm. Where do we get an account from?
Funded seat.
What's the luckiest prop firm out there? Funded seat?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I hate that they put all these ads where the the chat's at now.
Yeah.
It's like, can we just read the chat?
We'll figure it out when the time comes.
Trade never after 2 micros, grabbing $50 at a time until she gets it. Oh, must be talking about teaching someone.
Oh, where? What'd you see? What were you reading? 2 micros, grabbing 50 at a time until she gets. Oh yeah, I was talking about my wife on Friday. I just realized I'll even have to teach her how to use the buttons, the buy and sell. She doesn't even know. Kim Hermanson. Kim Hermanson. Mermanson.
Nice bears engulfing on the 15 minutes.
Oh, it's happening.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
You know what I'm talking about?
Do I need to?
Here. Me too, I'm here.
I'm not here.
Dream Tractor. Dream? What? Dream Attractor. Official. Dream at Tractor Official. Dream at Tractoro. Could be Spanish. Dream at Tractoro Oficiale. Ah, look at that. Kim comes in. Dream comes in. Kim writes one word. Dream Tractor Oro Oficiale writes one word too. Nice. I am here. Now Kim writes. Now it's time for Dream Tractor Official to write something. Kim Hermanson for an extra ball. How do you spell Mogadishu? Do I have her or what, huh? Now Dream Tractor Oficiales writes yes. Are you there? I don't hear you. I see your mouth moving. I'm looking at you. Omnius? Say, Nope, don't hear you. Wait. Nope, that's not you.
What?
You got one of those going.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, cheater. Here. Okay, here. I said, how do you spell Mogadishu? What letter is the first letter of the word Mogadishu? Kerem Hermansan or Dream Attractoro Oficiale? What's the first letter of the word Mogadishu?
An I.
It's so quiet. Here, yes.
See, you were talking about shorting back here.
Yes, I know, eh?
Huh?
I know, eh? That's what I said. You better have a damn good reason. And I noticed that at that moment there was a damn good reason. That's why I brought it up.
Told you it was into that big volume node.
Hands in the tar, salt on my father.
I would have traded it because trading is not a game of prediction. It's a game of reaction.
We came from the cliffs to the edge of the year.
Yeah, we've been short since.
Hear the rope. Feel it rise.
Damn dog won't stop barking. Hear the dog barking?
No, I don't hear a dog barking. Your mic is really good at filtering out stuff like that.
That's the owl. Super loud. Banging the door. I think there's somebody out there.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Nick Barker. So both of them didn't type in the first letter of Mogadishu. That means they're both not in the games. Would you agree with me on that?
Who?
You.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dream Tractoro Oficiales and Kim Hermansson. That's what I said. It's starting. Kim Hermansson came in, typed floor. Then Dream Tractor Official came in, typed floor. Then one of them just randomly typed in the word nice. And then the other one typed in the word yes. So that's why I said, aha. I said, give me the letter Mogadishu. And I said, I knew they wouldn't answer. They wouldn't be able to. Because they're Robotrons.
No way. You think so?
Yeah, we got Robotrons. Mogadishu. Yeah, you already have one. Or two.
I thought it was like a trick question or something.
Order filled. Did it go to profit that quickly?
Drift of the eye.
Did I talk about it going to profit?
Good trade entries on the volume chart today. I like seeing my volume chart do good.
Mm.
Good entries on the Renko also, though.
Yeah, I was thinking I had a good opportunity on the volume chart, but the CVD didn't agree, so I just skipped it.
Carry me home. We sail under the
Looks like they're trying to set up some long trades. But I'm a bit suspicious seeing this 15-minute bearish engulfing candle.
Let us look.
Could be a trap. Do they trap the bulls and then dump it? This is the question. Where do we go, man? You think Claude can make me a cumulative delta bot?
Double down. Yep, I do. I'm very impressed with Claude lately.
Problem is, I needed to put the ATR and the moving average on the delta, not the candles. They seem to have a hard time doing that.
descends upon the shore. The ancient drums begin to roar. The wind is calling. The snow is falling. The legacy of old
Cold.
remains.
I'm impressed with what it did with the water bot, though. I was able to put everything right into the bot. Literally, I turn it off and like my whole chart's blank.
He's back.
I like it like that. Load it, turn it on, and go. That's the bot. That's the bot off. Turn it on. Never mind my hybrid candles. I don't know why this guy's got to have some weird hybrid candles. Mike, I still got my candles overlaid. I've gotten so used to it, it just looks natural. Other people probably look at it like, what the kind of Frankenstein
man?
shit is this? Hey, D, anything exciting happened? Mike, yeah. Mike, tell him the story.
Don't ask me, AD. You were the one in the shower. If the wife is home, I'm going to assume something exciting happened. Us, we're just here.
Just
Trying to
here
make a
living
living.
the life. Right, never after I call my AI Hal. Hey Hal. How? Trained him well. Most algos compile every time. The back testing it sucks. Why does the back testing suck?
Cold on my hands, I know the shore by the scars in the land. Smoke from
You set
the
your
fire,
bot up right.
rising so
You really
thin,
shouldn't even have to back
name
test.
in the dark like a rune carved in. Ooh, the east wind calls
Let's see, turn this one on.
through black
Oh, this one.
walls. I walk till the night.
Come on, don't take forever.
Funny,
got too many.
funny.
I got too many indicators again. I gotta go through and clean them out again. How does this always happen to me? Mike, all the indicators I like take up way too much resources. Alright, now we got the bot on. Looks like took a losing trade there. A few winners. Winner back there. Then I can right click, select strategy performance. It'll give me a breakdown of the performance. Which on this bot changes rapidly because I believe it's only a 1 day, 2 day chart. If I come to this one over here, still on. There we go. Take that one. Put it there. I was doing a little bit better. A few losers lately. It's okay. Problem with some of these though is you can't really set them to be precise.
If the sea takes me under, my heart still answers.
The water bot's multi-time frame, so I can't use that at all on that bot. Damn it, I'm trading drunk and you embarrass me in front of my friends? No way, man. No way. No freaking way, man.
Oh, you said something. You sent me an updated members list.
Yesterday?
No. Oh, that was up? No, I heard you say today. Well,
Today,
thank you,
24
those guys.
hours ago?
Didn't see that. That was 3 minutes. I'll never get back. The stretching. Say that again. What you said 24 hours ago?
It was today, 24 hours ago.
Wow, I really feel like it was today. Not 24 hours ago.
Decagon built Duet Autopilot, so now my agent is self-improving.
Did you just lapse the whole day?
I might have.
I'm taking my home and go and ball. That's right. what that guy said.
Might have.
Not as stink as you drunk I am.
Ah, Captain Mike. What was that? I think someone wants something. Hello, Captain Mike.
Chad, never after you get pulled over, you look the cop right in the eye and say, I'm not as stink as you drunk I am. Did y'all know in Florida they had a police chief got drunk, wrecked his vehicle, rolled it over, and the cops buried everything almost.
Oh, yeah.
See? It's not that you can't drive drunk, you just have to be a police chief when you do it.
Yeah. Well.
Funny because like 3 different agencies refused to even like do a report. 2 of them were like, I'm not doing it. You doing it? No, I don't feel like doing it. You? No. Alright, let's just clean up the mess, tow the car back to the impound. Let's go. He asked me if I got any drugs. I say, why? You got some? I'm down.
The winter wind begins to wail. The secrets that the mountains yield are written in the ancient gale.
Still feels like a bull trap.
Oh, spirits of the frozen north, guide the long ship through the night. From the shadows we go forth into the pale.
Mike, they said that they saw no reason to suspect the police chief was drunk.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there was a bag sitting right next to him that was full of alcohol, but and the liquor bottle was half empty. Huh.
Hear the ancestors call.
What's up, guys? Capital Mike. Nothing. Not much. Taking it easy now.
We pay the solemn price.
I think we all reached our objectives.
Capital Mike.
Yeah, I called him Captain Mike before.
I wonder if there's a lowercase Mike.
You're so funny.
The cold remains.
Well, good news, bad news. Good news is
Good news first, yeah.
I was wrong about the bull trap. Oh wait, that was the bad news. Bad news was I was wrong about the bull trap. Good news was I was in a bullish trade. It's following the water bot. Blame it on the water. The water bot's fault. Omnius, you were wrong. See, Mike, you can be wrong and still make money.
Yeah, we used to do that with who was it? Woodchip. I was gonna call him Woodstock. With Woodchip, we used to do that. He would take one side, I would take the other, and we would both make money. It was the oddest thing.
I did get out early, but I also got in at a cheaper price than what the bot did. So it's okay. Technically, the bot's still in the trade. Can't see it because I can't see the trade. Don't like that when you hit cancel, it takes you out of the, closes all the bot stuff. Wish there was a setting to say not do that.
Through the frozen burn. Iron and ash under my knock, needle of frost biting the road, boots in the mud, blood in the snow.
Trade never after. Well, wipe out my games. Time for a beer. Win, lose, or draw. Time for a beer. Mike, I'm gonna tag you in this message from these people I was talking to yesterday.
Okay.
And you go fight with them the day it's your turn. Tag, you're it.
Okay. I don't know what the problems are, so I'm gonna just call them up and say, I got it to work. We're all good.
I'm so beyond this shit already. Like you have an audio box, then you have an audio program, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you want the audio program to work with the audio box, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, why would you want that? Come on, man. You're asking too much. And they want me to set it up a way that don't even work. I'm like, come on, man. We can do better. I need a message. Set up 12:30.
We're going to put in a little obvious pattern over here of head and shoulders developing on the 5-minute-ish.
As a business leader,
This is going to be a lower high, kind of looking like the daily right now.
Companies offer
We'll see what happens. Right now, though, I'd still be looking for longs. Still be looking for longs till we get more evidence of a dump. Wouldn't take a short here, Omnius, unless I have a really good reason. Right? Are you still there? Where do you go? You're always running away.
Trying to figure out what to write this guy. Everything's so easy, but then they show up and like...
Here, start with Dear Sir.
Just tell me what we need to do. It's so easy. Let's just go through it. I can't do another freaking 8 hours of fighting with this shit.
You start with Dear Sir, then you go into thank you for your email. I hope all is well.
How do you put Eastern? EST?
EST, yeah.
They're gonna be like, fuck, y'all ain't got this figured out yet? What do we gotta do? With an engineer. Mike, my problem's so freaking bad, I have to talk to the fucking engineers, man. Mike, I was talking to him yesterday, and the one guy, I think it's the supervisor, he kept saying, get him to do a support ticket. Get him to do a support ticket.
Yeah.
Do you know why they do that?
Nope.
I know exactly why they do it. They don't want my bad language on the open forum.
And I strip the fear. All thin frost, all thin bone.
Anytime you have a problem with the company's things, they don't want you in the open forum. They want you in a private message. No. You start with fuck. I gotta do to get you some bitches to do your fucking job. That's where I'm at, trading ever after. I like it. That's where I'm at.
Stone hall open wide. Drum skin answer now. I left a trail of ash on the sea and the plough.
I will be back. Give me a minute.
The dark takes my breath.
I tell Mike all the time, I'm not good in meetings. I say fuck too much.
Grave as the mountain, wild as a winter king.
Yeah, but they usually hang up. Trading ever after. Sometimes I get to the point with meetings and stuff. Like when I'm ready to hang up, I don't just hang up. I just say fuck a lot till they hang up. I don't know if that's a good strategy, but feels like it sometimes. My wife's like, now what did you achieve from that? I'm like, I don't know, I just feel better about it. Sometimes it just clears out the soul. Yeah, relieves pressure, man. Yeah. I mean, I'm nice to people when they're nice to me on the phone, but then when it comes to like start getting attitudes and stuff, I'm like, fuck. You know what? Just go fuck your mother.
On the old coat on my hands, I know the shore by the scars in the land. Smoke from the fire, rising so thin. Your name in the dark like a rune carved in.
What vanished out of thin air? What did I miss?
Through black pine walls,
What?
Something vanished out of thin air.
I walk till the night gives away. Runes and frost,
Couldn't have been in the market. It's not really doing much. Might poke it with a stick. Oh, you did. He's saying you just vanished.
Yeah, I went to go,
Another trade? Are we serious?
went to go make money.
Oh, man. Because I canceled the last trade, it's not going to show me this one. I don't know where to put my stop loss. I'm going to take profit. Yeah, it's going to have to guess. Omnius, tell my story. What kind of story you want to hear?
Me? You know there was a
No.
story.
Just tell my story.
My story.
Maybe it's Maya. Okay, Maya, if you're there, I'll tell you a story. What's the story about? Anybody come up with a... You want to hear one about dragons, or... You want to hear the story of the bulls and the bears? Tell me a story.
That's got to be TAA. Oh no, it's AD. TAA was the other day saying, "Tell me story, tell me story, tell me story." What was this, a bedtime hour?
Okay, I'll tell you a story. Other parents, they teach their kids about the birds and the bees. But we teach our kids about the bulls and the bears. Huh?
Mm-hmm. Look at you, all proud of yourself. Huh?
About what?
How about your story right there?
Right now, the Bulls are kind of beating up the Bears, but the Bears are still putting in a pretty good fight. So we got to see. You know why they call it the Bulls and the Bears?
No.
I bet y'all don't even know. I bet y'all don't even know. Huh? No answers?
No.
They call it the bull because the bull strikes upwards. An upwards thrust. They call it the bear because the bear strikes downwards with its paw coming down. Did y'all know that? Now you know. Y'all learned something interesting today. And y'all learned the story of the bulls and the bears. So you can teach it to your kids as they're going to sleep.
Hmm.
That's what we do. We show up every day. We read the story of the bulls and the bears. Instead of words, we get the candles. Read the candles.
Hey, Meta, laquelle est la fourchette à salade?
C'est celle au milieu.
Et celle-ci?
All right, the end,
Celle-ci est pour les
fuckers.
huîtres.
Mike, you tell a story.
Tellement de fourchettes.
Ouais.
Nope, I'm working on creating a background image for the game. See, Omnius did have a story. No bears thrust downward. The bull
See,
takes
Omnius
it.
did a story.
Get
No
stuffed.
bears.
inflatable hammock-style launcher. You can
Yeah, we gotta put get stuffed.
No bears thrust downwards into a butt, and the bull takes it.
Built-in cup holders, perfect to keep
What?
your
The
drinks
bull
closed
takes it in the
while
butt?
floating. This water soaker set is so fun. It refills quickly and also includes water
What kind of
I know,
story is
eh?
that?
even more
I know, eh?
To finish this inflatable floating
Guys,
island with a
don't
delightful
ask Trade
flow
Never
behind
After to tell a
sunshade.
story.
Canadian Tire made it so easy to get everything I needed.
Wrong channel. Trade Never After. You meant to write that on the other channel you're on. Wrong channel.
Raven in the smoke circles the land. I hear the oar cut through the black.
His wife's like, oh, he's good and drunk now. There's going to be butt sex tonight.
I didn't say that. But I'm keeping it clean.
Okay, we might have to cut that part out.
There could be children watching.
Guys, there could be children watching. This is a family-friendly-ish stream. Mike, thanks for being the hall monitor and getting us back in line.
You're welcome.
Terrible thing is those children watching the stream are probably mine in the other room.
It's true, eh? It's summer, eh? It's, what are we now? July. Oh, July tomorrow. First day of July. See you after class, Mike. First day of July, tomorrow. Are you guys starting your Christmas lists?
It's already that time, isn't it?
Yeah.
This shit's getting crazy, man. Come on, bulls. Get in there. Target field.
I have no more coffee. Do I get more? Nah. That's enough.
Hop in, huh?
Take what I feel. Leave me my pride.
Did y'all see that one? It's been a few years ago now, but the guy got arrested because the back of his truck said, I eat kind of butt, but different. Mike, you see that one?
No.
was funny. The cop told him, "So well, you need to take that off your truck." He said, "Hell, I ain't taking it off my truck." Cop got mad and arrested him.
That's wrong.
What's wrong?
To force someone to take that off.
Yeah, he refused to do it and got arrested. And I believe he beat it. I think he might have even got a lawsuit.
Yeah.
Free speech. Violation of the First Amendment. Cop's like, how do you expect somebody to explain that to their kids? And the guy said, well, you should be explaining the First Amendment to them. Then it sparked a whole debate a couple years ago about whether or not people should be allowed to have stuff like that on their vehicle.
Mm. I think people are going to do what they want to do, and
Hands in the tar, salt on my father.
didn't have any graphic imagery in there.
Nope, just text.
It's fine.
We came from the cliffs to the
I mean, I look at it like, first off, if your kid's so little that it offends them that much, then they probably can't read it.
That's true
So
too.
if you don't read it to them, there probably isn't a problem. If they're old enough they can read it, they probably think it's funny. Rips just got me. I bought it. You buy Rip's car? Oh.
In this day and age, kids have access to everything. There's no point in caring anymore, really. You're not protecting anybody from anything.
Yeah, right. Same people complaining that their kids might be able to read it on the back of a car. Then the kids go home, get on Roblox.
Pour profiter du
You hear the way
meilleur
they
de
talk.
l'été, c'est le fun de pouvoir compter sur le meilleur de l'été. Comme la
through the white and the blue. Mother, keep watch.
Try to keep my kids off of chatting with other kids on the games.
I bring back a name.
Now, like, you play the game.
Okay, you meant like in the chat like that. Oh my God, it's got to be pure filth.
It is. It was terrible a long time ago.
Feel it rise. Storm in the bone. Cold in the eyes. We sail.
The bad thing is they're hearing it from other little kids. Dang, kid. Get your mother. Can I tell her to go slap you in the mouth real quick? Omni, is yours cursed yet? So the girl's about to be 7. She's very offended by curse words. Really, really, really hates that F word. She's like, Dad, you know I hate that word. I'm like, what word? She's like, the F word. I'm like, fun? How can you not like having fun? What kind of kid are you?
If I fall tonight.
She's like, no, Dad, not that one, the other one. I'm like, fantastic? You hate that?
Carry me home. Carry me home.
I think the boys just kind of getting curious about words and stuff. He was never offended like the girl. Girl, she gets really offended over stuff. I guess that's just natural. Women are more easily offended. Now 14 and lets them rip. Yeah. We asked her about it a few times, and she says because she hears the words and then she thinks about them. She don't like thinking about them. It's that female curse. Just can't let shit go. Like, look, you just gotta let it go. Just quit thinking about it. Think about something else. Think about some positive stuff.
The fjords are cold, the spirits wake. A path of ice, a frozen lake.
I'm starting to get them where they don't believe all these other curse words are curse words. Like they go to school and somewhere else and people are like, don't say HE double hockey sticks. I'm like, come on now. Those aren't even really curse words. I always find it funny when like there's words but you're supposed to like multiple words for something, but you're supposed to use this word and not that word because that word's bad, but they both mean the same thing. I always find that funny.
So good.
Trade never after. What age do they start cursing regularly?
So long.
I think my son's getting to the age where like he'll switch a curse word out for something that sounds like it. He thinks that's funny. Like, ha, I didn't curse. I'm like, look, I don't really care either way. String them all together like in 3rd grade. Got the wife doing it. Papa, my daughter's first word was shit. Shit, 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 shit. That's funny.
Big match is on, but you're stuck in a library? Pringles and MLS present.
That's when you look at the wife and you're like, well, babe, I think we maybe use these words too often.
Celebrate your game, celebrate your snacks. Pop, crunch, enjoy.
The boy was 7, the girl was 14. My son got in trouble a few years ago in school for flicking someone off. And the other kids kind of coached him into doing it. I think it was 1st grade. It was either 1st or 2nd grade.
Oh, I think you told us this day.
And yeah, he got in trouble and he was so upset. He didn't know what it was. He's like, why I can't hold this finger up? The other kids were doing it. One kid was doing like the ring finger and the other kid was doing like the pointer finger. And they're telling him to do the middle finger and he didn't know any better, so he did it. And of course, he got caught. Teacher's getting on to him. He starts bawling. Why am I in trouble? I don't even know what I did wrong.
Je suis originaire de l'Afrique de l'Ouest.
Je m'appelle Sandy, je suis d'origine haïtienne.
Et je suis atteint de l'anémie falciforme.
You know the moral of the story, right?
Une personne afro
We just don't flick enough people off.
Une journée de crise, de vraie
we need
crise
to be better
falciforme,
parents.
c'est
He
vraiment
needs
tu
to,
peux rien faire. Tu peux même pas marcher.
he needs to know what these things
La
are.
reconnaissance, ça aide à ne plus faire de crise.
The other moral of the story is apparently he don't watch his mother's driving that often.
Depuis plus de 15 ans. Ça prend 130 donneurs pour soutenir.
What do you think your mother was doing every time she's honking the horn and yelling at somebody?
Okay.
Do you say some bitch west by God, Virginia, or north Keikuli? Excuse me, sir. What the hell are you talking about? Mike, do you say any of those things?
No, not really.
Trade Never After. In Florida, we say some beach. Some beach. Hillbilly speak. Say, you some beach, get out of my way.
Ice on the ore, cold on my hands. I know the shore by the scars in the land. Smoke from the fire, rising so thin.
Sometimes we say, shut the front door.
Yeah, that's a big one here.
The east wind calls. Ooh, through black pine walls. I walk till the night gives way.
Sometimes when my kids ask me for something, I just tell them no. And they're like, what can I have? And I tell them what they can have. So you can have a big, tall glass of shut the fuck up. And then I
okay, Dad's in a bad mood. Ma!
Then I even sang him a song about it. If the kid was here, I'd have him sing it for you. Yeah, I mess with my kids a lot. Melody, good morning.
I left with the salt. I came back with rain. Still your voice in my bones like a hard old chain.
Funny because you hear other parents like yelling at their kids. Majority of the time I'm yelling at mine, I'm like having fun with them and joking with them. My kids are gonna grow up thinking people yelling at them are joking, playing games. They're like, what? I thought you were joking. Like, I'm yelling, cursing at you. I'm like, yeah, sounds like my dad.
Stone by stone, I return. From the deep, long road I learn. If the sea
Look what time it is.
takes me
We doing no games today?
I'm working on it.
heart still answers.
Mike, I tell them that if you act in the next 30 seconds, you can even get a bigger, taller glass to shut the hell up. Remember those old commercials? You act right now, next 30 seconds.
Ah, yeah, okay, I know what you're talking about. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to do.
Yeah, my kids get whatever they want. They're spoiled rotten. Mike, you gotta spoil your kids, right?
Well, you do, yeah, and we definitely did, especially Grandpa. Oh my goodness. Oh,
Grandpa?
my
You're
goodness.
Grandpa already?
Grandpa, not me. Their Grandpa.
Peu importe votre genre de soif, on a tout pour vous rafraîchir. Couche-tard, ça fait votre journée.
Yeah, their grandpa spoiled them. Okay.
I feel like grandpas and grandmas half the spoiled kids. Like what grandma and grandpa doesn't spoil the grandkids? Mike, soon you're going to be a grandpa?
No, I don't think so.
You are going to spoil some kids.
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I don't know. My kids are still young. I think you should have kids when you're around 35.
Doesn't it go back and forth though? Like one generation has kids like really old, and then the other generation has kids really young.
Mm.
The secrets that the mountains yield.
You got to be coaching them to have kids, man. If what are they, like 21 now, 22?
25.
You're talking another 10 years?
Yeah, that's right. Enjoy your life. Hey, Melody.
They need a grandpa and a grandma. Take them to the park.
Grandma and Grandpa will be living in Florida by then.
They could have the kids now. You could raise the grandkids. They go out and have fun.
Oh, yeah, that's what I want. I paid my dues. Send me your list.
Very first second you seen a little grandbaby, you'd be a different man.
I'm sure. Send me the list. Meantime, I'm putting in the extra balls. What do we got?
Trade never after. Actually, since Omnius Trades called my kids, they call me now. Is Mike going to be your neighbor, Omnius?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
He
yeah.
wants to be a Floridian, but I feel like when he gets here, he'll be like, screw them.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
You've been to Florida a few times. You know what Florida's like.
I have. I love it.
I don't even have a list. Everybody's on your side.
Yeah, you have a list. You have a list. Tell me what you got.
I have to cancel the games. Nobody wants to play anymore.
Oh, you know what? I don't even know. Did I change my title? Did you change your title?
I'll give some other people some free accounts.
Yeah, traded my account giveaway. Spelled it right, too. What about you?
I think I just put giveaway.
Put it back in your title. Yeah. Deep in. Kind of like me. Deep-ish in. Okay.
Maybe I'll have to start doing Facebook giveaways or something.
Woo! That's a small list, eh? There too. It's almost like the early days.
What did you put? Tradify account?
Okay, sort. Let's get rid of the duplicates. Remember, Futures Floor, Omnius Trades, if they win, we just run it again. Same thing for Lucky JC, we're just acting as market makers, just trying to get in your way, trying to take away your the win from you. Look at all those paper entries.
Never after you move closer to Mike and he moved further away. Mike loves Canada. He ain't going nowhere.
What's up?
Mike wakes up every morning and sings the Canadian national anthem.
I do.
I don't know how it starts. How does it start? I feel like I've heard it before, but I don't know how it starts.
Oh, say, can you see? Save and apply. Okay, we're all good. 58 players.
Mike, if they did a vote right now, do you think Canada would become a state?
Alberta? I don't know.